3 bars down, 15. Red. What's that? Oh my God, you guys. This is hilarious. Oh my God, you guys were talking about pennies on the beach? I just found a whole roll of quarters. Woohoo! I just got a roll of quarters. That's hilarious. You guys were talking about pennies on the beach. I just got an entire roll of quarters. Should I open it? Do you guys want to see them? Yeah, well, let's do a coin roll. Coin roll hunt, right? Okay. I can do that. All right. Coin roll hunt live. Boy, those have been down there a minute too. Man, just trashed the wrapper's junk. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me get the wrapper out of the way. That's funny. That's a first. There's a quarter spill for you. All right, let me get rid of the wrapper, and then we'll go through them real quick. Yeah, no silver probably, but they're pretty pretty pink. It's hard to do this with a phone because I have to look around the phone at them. 79. 83. I mean, you would see the edge more than likely, but you never know. Oh, almost dropped it. 91. That was pretty awesome. I don't even have to put those in the bag. They go straight in my pocket. I gotta check that hole again too. 86. I think I just dropped one. That's a state. 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 80 something. 82, 83. All right, I gotta running out of room in my hands. 95. State quarter, state quarter, state quarter, state quarter. Okay, we'll get all those put in my pocket. And I think I threw one in the sand actually. Oh, let's get up. Oh, it's a long ways down there. I think I dropped one. I guess I didn't. That was awesome. Entire roll of quarters.